Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making crusty rolls.
You will need 4 cups of flour, 1 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Start with the flour and make a small well in the center using your hand or a spoon. Add the sugar and yeast into the well and place the salt to the side, not directly on the yeast. Pour in half of the warm water and mix for about 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Add the remaining water and begin kneading the dough until it no longer sticks to your hands and becomes smooth and soft. This is how it should look. Lightly oil a bowl and coat the dough with a thin layer of oil. Cover with plastic wrap and set it aside to rise. Once the dough has doubled in size, remove it and gently shape it into a ball. Cut it into 6 equal pieces and shape each piece into a small ball. Cover with a clean kitchen towel and let them rest for 30 minutes. After resting, stretch each piece of dough into a circle about 4 to 6 inches in diameter using your hands instead of a rolling pin. Starting from the bottom, roll the dough into a log shape. Pinch the edges together with your fingers to seal and shape it into a cylindrical form, pressing slightly more on the ends to create a tapered, pointed shape. This is how it should look. Lightly dust a baking sheet with flour and carefully transfer the shaped dough onto it. Repeat the process for the remaining pieces. Once all the dough is shaped, dust them lightly with flour. Cover and let them rest for another 45 minutes to 1 hour or until nearly doubled in size. Using a razor blade or a sharp knife, make a slit along the side or straight down the middle. Preheat the oven to 425. Place the baking sheet on the middle rack and add a cup of ice to the bottom of the oven to create steam. Bake for 20 minutes until the crust is golden and crispy. Enjoy the beautiful, crispy crust and soft, airy inside. Bon appetit!
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.